Decorating the dining table can be done using things from around the home, and when put together thoughtfully, they can create a beautiful setup. Today I'm sharing 4 such ideas that I have used in my home. The first setup is extremely simple and only requires a bright table runner. The idea is practical and easy since you don't need a fancy or expensive tablecloth, although a tablecloth adds its own charm. I used a marble board as the base and placed essential daily use items like a pepper mill, coasters, and even a simple achar bottle. The board helps keep everything neatly arranged so that items aren't scattered all over the table. These are everyday essentials in any Indian household, and keeping them within easy reach is always helpful. To add a decorative touch, instead of using a fruit basket, I displayed fruits on a cake stand. To complete the look, I placed a small candle which added a cozy finishing touch. The second idea is also very simple and can be easily replicated in any home. To make it a little different this time, instead of a single table runner, I layered 2 runners in complementary colors. I started the decoration by placing a wooden chopping board, as wood adds warmth and a cozy touch to any space. From there, it's all about creativity. You can place anything on the board that you might need or want as part of the decor on the dining table. This time I included an artificial flower arrangement to show how even 4 plants can work beautifully. Be creative, mix and match different items and see what looks best for your space. For the third setup, I removed the runners and introduced a beautiful tablecloth. The type of tablecloth doesn't matter as much as how we complement it with the decor. Since my tablecloth has a gorgeous block print, I wanted it to be the main highlight. So I chose to arrange everything on one side closer to the wall, although this setup would also look great in the center of the table. To maintain an earthy and cohesive look, I used a bamboo tray to hold everything together and added a couple of jars containing homemade goodies. The plant pot I chose is wooden, as you can see, as I felt it blended well with the overall color scheme and added a natural seamless finish. For the fourth and final look, I brought back the first table runner and kept the fruits on the cake stand as we did initially, as they complemented the runner perfectly. But this time I added a simple dark grey ceramic plate as a base. The idea here is to show how we can get creative with everyday items. Later, I layered another board underneath the plate to add more visual interest. The setups I shared today are meant to inspire creativity and show how simple changes can make a big difference. I'd love to hear your ideas on how you arrange your dining table on a daily basis. Until next time, thanks for watching.